Group A, and I am Kesu.
This is Sivan.
I am Kandiya.
And we are going to determine the acceleration due to gravity using compound pendulum.
Now, Kesu is going to explain you the theory of this experiment.
Time period of oscillation of a body, which is constrained to rotate about a horizontal axis with small amplitudes, is given by the formula written over here, where I is the moment of inertia of the body about the axis of oscillation, and m is the mass of the body, g the gravitational acceleration, and d the distance between a center of mass and the axis of oscillation. Also, I is given by I naught plus md square, where t is the time period of oscillation. Now, using the radius of gyration k, which is given in I naught is equal to lk square, and putting it into the formula, we get this formula where t square d is equal to 4 pi square upon g into k square plus d square. Now, observing the variation of t while varying d, we will get minimum time period, and which will be given as 2 pi into 2k upon g whole power half.
Now, Kanha is going to explain the experimental setup of this experiment.
In this experiment, the rigid body consists of a long rectangular bar with a series of 19 holes at regular interval. The knife edge should be rested on a wall mount so that the bar is free to move in vertical plane. The radius of gyration of the bar is k and is given by the expression k square is equal to L square plus B square upon 12, where L and B are the length and breadth of the bar respectively.
Beginning with the procedure, first center of mass of the bar is determined by balancing it in a knife edge. Then the bar is suspended by means of knife edge. D is measured from knife edge to the center of gravity of each hole. Now measure the time for 20 oscillations of the bar when hanging from the first hole. In similar way goes for the second hole, and we go up till we reach the 10th hole or the center of gravity of the bar. We repeat the experiment thrice for each hole, and thereafter we note down the observations as follows. The observation table has 3 columns with the values of time period for 20 oscillations of the bar for each hole and taken thrice, that is T1, T2 and T3. Along with these, we have columns for d square and t square d also, where d is the distance of respective holes from center of gravity of the bar.
A graph is plotted between t square d having unit second square meter plotted along y-axis and d square having unit meter square plotted along x-axis. This graph comes out to be a straight line with a positive intercept as per the equation provided. T square d is equal to 4 pi square upon g into d square plus 4 pi square upon g into k square. Now, calculations go as shown here. Error analysis is done using the formula as shown.
This is how our experiment got concluded. On behalf of my group, I would like to thank for giving us this project which helped us knowing this experiment much more clearly. Thank you.